Hi guys, I'm Mcbaj, a portrait and fashion photographer based in London, UK. So today I'll be giving out a free action for teeth whitening, and you can find the download link to this action or presets down in the description box. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel to get more goodies and more actions and all of that. So without further ado, let me show you guys how to use my action, and yeah, I'll show you how to use it on your photos on Photoshop. So let's go straight into Photoshop right about now. Yeah, I'm going to open up my Photoshop, and I have this picture. Sorry, I haven't edited this picture at all, guys. I'm just going to show you guys straight up. We're going straight to the point. This is going to be a very short video, guys. So have my subject it right here. I think it's quite like very much decent. Like there's no whole lot of stuff that is meant to like that you're meant to like editing at it, but I'm going to give you guys this action, and you can always download the action and install it into your Photoshop by just double clicking on the download, and you're going to find it somewhere in your action menu or folder. If you can find this play action on your Photoshop, what you need to do is you need to come down to your windows and you look for this thingy here. In this option here, you're going to see action. This is where you have your different windows. So when you click on that, it's going to pop up your action menu on your Photoshop. So you go down to the teeth whitening, then you play the action. So once you play the action, you're going to get a black mask. So you need to like use a white brush to be able to unmask it, and this is going to like actually show the effect of the action itself. So I'm going to zoom into my teeth. I'm going to press the B, which is the brush tool, and then what I'm going to do, I have to make sure my opacity is in 100 and my flow is also in 100. Then I'm going to paint over the teeth. So, and guys, can you see what's actually happening to the teeth right about now? It's looking way brighter and cleaner. That's what you want. You know, as photographers, we could be dentists too at the same time. We could be opticians, we could be dentists, we could be everything. So yeah, you just clean your subject with this action right here. And yeah, it's for free, guys. Just go ahead, download, and kindly give me a shout if you use the action or anything on any of your photos, so let me see and be like, oh yeah, maybe I'm doing a great job. So and right now that I've just painted over the teeth, I just want to show you guys how the before and after, how it actually looks like right now. Before, you guys can see that, and after. Before, after. That's how it works. So there are some times in which you might be in a very like a different lighting scenario in which maybe there's some color gel light, or maybe the teeth of your subject has maybe like, I don't know, a different shade or a different light touching it. You could as well come down to the channel mixer menu right here, and you could play around the red, the greens, the blue luminance, so it actually fixes it, either brightens. You could see the downbeat of the teeth right there. It's like looking brighter. You could just play around this, or just play around it to get the desired taste you want. And you see right now, if it looks too much at the same time, you could decide to close down this folder of the teeth whitening and just decide to like reduce the opacity or something, just so it looks more natural and fits with your picture. So that's going to be all, guys. I'm going to put the download link in the description down below, and kindly download, and you could tag me on my social media, which is down below at timmcbaj, and I'll definitely like check your pictures out and give you a follow back and all of that. So thanks for watching my video, and please do make sure to subscribe on this channel, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Cheers.